Hello, my little readers. Welcome back to Tiny Talent Academy. Today, we are learning the add word family. A word family means many words that end the same. When words end the same, they sound the same. The ending for this family is add. It sounds like add. Now let us learn some add words. Bad. B. Add. Bad. Dad. D. Add. Dad. Mad. Add. Mad. Sad. Add. Sad. Pad. Add. Pad. Now let us read all the add words together. Bad. Dad. Mad. Sad. Pad. Very good. Now we will build words with the add ending. Remember, add is the ending sound. We will put a sound in front of add to build a word. Add. Add. Add b in front of add. B. Add. Bad. Add d in front of add. D. Add. Dad. Add m in front of add. M. Add. Mad. These are the words we built by blending sounds. Bad. Dad. Mad. Now let's break these words into sounds. This helps with spelling. Bad. B. Add. Dad. D. Add. Mad. Add. Wonderful. Now it is test time. Read these add words with me. Bad. Dad. Mad. Sad. Pad. If you read all the words, give yourself 5 golden stars. You did an amazing job today. You learned the add family. You learned how to blend. You learned how to read. And you learned how to build words. Thank you for learning with Tiny Talent Academy. If you liked this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye, my little readers. See you soon.